Hey there! Welcome to Doomboticus Metallicus, the ultimate spot for teens who want to conquer the world of finance and personal development. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our community of ambitious go-getters. Today's video is a goldmine for those of you looking to fill your wallets and gain financial independence. We're talking about making money as a teenager. No gimmicks, just real talk. So buckle up and let's get into it. 1. Understanding the money game. Before we dive into the money-making strategies, let's set the stage with some fundamentals. Making money isn't just about the cash. It's about understanding the value you bring and how to leverage it. Whether you're working a job or starting your own gig, the key is to offer something that people need or want. It's about solving problems, being reliable, and building a reputation that shouts, "I'm the one you need." 2. Part-time jobs, the classic approach. Part-time jobs are a classic way to earn money, and they come with the bonus of experience. Here's how to nail the part-time job hunt. 1. Discover your niche. What makes you stand out? Maybe you're a math whiz, a tech guru, or a people person. Use your strengths to find the right job. 2. Craft a killer resume. Highlight your skills, achievements, and any extracurricular activities that show leadership and initiative. 3. Job hunting tactics. Beyond online job portals, consider local businesses, community centers, and libraries. Networking is key. Talk to teachers, family, and friends. 4. The application process. Tailor your application for each job. Show them why you're a perfect fit. 5. Interview like a pro. Confidence is king. Practice common interview questions, and remember, you're interviewing them as much as they're interviewing you. From cashier roles to internships, the options are vast. Find a job that aligns with your future goals, and you'll be making money and paving your career path. 3. Entrepreneurship. Be your own boss. If you're itching to start something of your own, entrepreneurship might be your calling. Here's how to launch your empire. 1. Market research. Identify gaps in the market. What do people need that they're not getting? 2. Business planning. Draft a simple business plan. Outline your idea, target market, and how you'll make money. 3. Start small. Test your idea with a minimal investment. Get feedback and refine your approach. 4. Marketing magic. Use social media, word of mouth, and community events to spread the word. 5. Customer service excellence. Your customers are your best marketers. Exceed their expectations and they'll keep coming back. Whether it's a tech repair service, a baking business, or a YouTube channel, the entrepreneurial path is about innovation and persistence. 4. Digital domination, making money online. The digital world is a treasure trove of opportunities. Here's how to tap into it. 1. Freelance platforms. Offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. From graphic design to coding, there's a demand for everything. 2. Online surveys and tasks. Sites like Swagbucks and Mechanical Turk pay for your time and opinions. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. Create valuable content and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. The internet is vast, and so are the possibilities. Find your niche and build an audience that trusts and values your content. 5. Smart money management. Earning money is just the beginning. Here's how to ensure your hard-earned cash works for you. 1. Set clear goals. Whether it's a new laptop or college tuition, know what you're saving for. 2. Budgeting basics. Keep track of your income and expenses. There are great apps out there to help you manage your money. 3. Savings account smarts. Shop around for a savings account with a good interest rate. Your money should grow even when you're not working. 4. Investing insights. Consider low-risk investments like bonds or mutual funds. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Financial wisdom is a superpower. Invest in your knowledge, and you'll reap the rewards for a lifetime. That's a wrap on our deep dive into making money as a teenager. You've got the tools, the tips, and the tricks. Now it's time to put them into action. If this video sparked some ideas, smash that like button, share it with your squad, and subscribe for more epic content. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. Go out there and make it happen. Catch you in the next video.